What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Going on a little road trip today. Going to check out a classic junkyard, supposedly from the 30s up. So I got my girl here, Faith Green.
Howdy.
And we're going to go check it out. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we arrived. This is what we're seeing first walking in. Not seeing anything too good yet. I mean, this is decent for a start, but a lot of newer stuff. Well, it was like 90s stuff, but I'll bring you back when I find something pretty good. Here you have a few old ones. I don't know if y'all see anything y'all might would need, and if you do, put it in the comments and I'll get it and I'll ship it. Got a two-door Skylark. It's pretty complete. Doors don't look terrible. Just some surface rust, but nothing too bad. It has the interior. No hood, engine, no trans. But I mean, not bad looking car. I mean, if anybody's looking for a Skylark, this guy has roughly 20 acres, and I guess he's selling out of everything. Here's another good two-door project right here. Whole step side. Give you a little view of what I'm seeing. I really do like this Skylark though, that's pretty cool. Somebody ought to save that one. Alright, let me see how I can get out of here. Got some trucks. Not many parts left on them. Pretty shot, but it is a Jeep truck. I mean, you don't see them all the time. Old F100, couple of them. I see some parts on these that could be saved. Oh, here you go. Here's the old International. That's a pretty nice truck. It's got an engine transmission, it appears. Another truck. Maybe some parts. Old Ranger. Bed's pretty shot. Lots of F100s. Alright, I like the Harley Davidson, but then I like that one, and then that one also. That's pretty funny. Here's a decent one to maybe put some money into. Fairly solid looking, but sunk down in the ground pretty bad, so I don't know if the frame's solid. No hood, no engine, trans. Well, no, it's got a trans. Interior is complete. Yeah, not bad. Pretty solid around drip rail. So Not bad. Oh, that might be the hood back here. Yeah, I think that is the hood. Okay. Not bad. Couple nice ones. A little Fiat. I always wanted me one of these, or a little MG. I think that'd be pretty fun little cars to whip around. Got a couple of them here. Got this old Chevy truck. Right beside it, it's El Camino. Both of them pretty well gone. Got us a punch bug here and there, but definitely no parts. But this Chevrolet truck over here caught my eye. If you've been watching my channel for a little while, it kind of reminds me of my old K20 I had. Did a series on it.
There's a tree growing in the middle of it.
Yeah. Got a square body. It's got the engine in it. Not bad looking, honestly. Complete. Be a good parts truck, maybe. Be nice to save a lot of these, you know. Got some more bugs. This one might be worth getting some parts off of, maybe. Maybe this one. It's another one hiding over here in the bushes. I don't know if y'all can see that one too good. Not seeing anything too good yet, but we're looking. Alright, might be getting into some good stuff. I see a 90s Camaro here. Appears to be pretty solid and complete. Not bad, not bad. We got another Camaro over here. Good 3rd gen project, maybe. I mean, rockers and lower fenders and everything appear to be pretty solid. I would definitely, you know, recommend somebody looking for one to check it out. It's missing some parts though. Got you a Camaro right here. Pretty rough though. Yeah, not much left with this one. But it is what it is. You know, somebody could probably use these seats. Get a bit of trim, some goodies in here. Another 3rd gen.
Firebird.
I see it. Not bad, not bad. We just picked up 2 of them, and I might throw them in this video and let you check them out. Got an engine in it. Hood shut. Main thing I'm looking for is some doors for one of these and some good fenders. I mean, this fender is probably better than the one I got, but yeah, I mean, it's not terribly bad. Maybe. Got 3rd gen over here. Oh wow. Is it a T-top TransAm? Z28. Man, it's a shame that this car is in here. That car should be restored, man. All these cars. It's a shame. That is a shame. Especially this Camaro here. Yeah, I think that's a Z28. Must have caught on fire. Steering wheel and gauges, everything's burnt. Wow. Overall though, the car is pretty solid. Like somebody who really wanted a T-tops, this would be you right here. We got a deck lid right here. I mean, this would fit. Let me bring y'all back. Just happen to see this one hiding back here in the bushes. Can't really get to it, but doesn't look too bad. A few more 3rd gen. Good parts cars. I think this is probably about the best part of the junkyard right here. Another Camaro. Got some good doors on it, looks like. Oh, one good door. Alright, so if you see anything y'all need, I'm gonna put his location if he's okay with it in the video description. Or if you pay me enough money, I'll come out here and grab it for you and ship it to you. But y'all know the deal, shipping ain't cheap. And neither is time. But there's enough 70s Camaros out here where if you wanted to build you one, you could definitely put one together. I mean, piece by piece from car to car, and you'll have you enough for sure. That's a decent Camaro. Not too bad. I might see how much he wants on this one. But if I don't get it, this would be a decent one for somebody to buy and take a couple of these other cars out of here and build it. Got an engine, but more like a boat anchor. I mean, not too bad. Like I said, could be fixed, no problem. Got another one over here. Decent door, it looks like. Take that door and put it on that red one. Alright, let me hop to the other side. Alright, so I decided to take another look at this Pontiac Firebird over here. And I think this is a Trans Am. Maybe somebody could correct me if I'm wrong. But I think that makes it a Trans Am, right? If it's original. Could be wrong. The VIN number is right there. If anybody can read that. But inside, but I think that makes it a Trans Am. Could be wrong. Let's see, make out anything on the cow tag. There's the cow. All right, I'll look that up later. But I mean, it's pretty rough, but if it's a Trans Am, it is Trans Am. Got us another Camaro. Roughly, I guess about a 70. It's a shell. 4 fans. Good in some spots. Got a 2-door Buick. I was told there was some 30s cars out here, but I've yet to see any. But still looking. Corvair. I mean, it's a 4-door, but it's pretty solid. Barbed wire. Monte Carlo. About like my grandfather's car. But the vinyl top about ruined it. Maybe parts. Does have the engine. Alright. bring you back when I see something good. Got some Monte Carlo bumpers. A Chevy Malibu. I mean, pretty nice car for somebody to restore. Here's out the hood. No engine, no trans, but yeah, it's here. If anybody's interested. It's like another Camaro over there. That's about it over here. Got a 4-door Impala. If anybody needs some parts, got a couple of them. Both got fairly decent looking metal on them. Gas tank. Now here we go. We got a 2-door 327. As to what it says here. Now, pretty sure what this one might be. What, 63 roughly. And it is an Impala. It is a 2-door. This is probably the best car in this junkyard so far. Like this is what you would want right here to restore. And I might already have a buyer for this one, so I might try and get this one. So yeah, look at that. Not bad, not bad. Wish I could get in there a little better. Does have the interior. Obviously it needs a lot of work. I might have another one right here for parts. It looks like, yeah, I think this is 63 too. I believe this might be an Impala too, by the looks of it. So I would definitely buy up these two. If I don't get them, if my friend don't get them, somebody needs to come and grab them. Build both of them. Or take two and build one. Oh yeah, Impala. Check that out. Alright, there you go. You got two Impalas right here. Let me get a back shot of them. There you go. I'm pretty sure this is 63, but I'm not too big of an Impala guy, but I just know it's a highly sought after car. So yeah, I'll ask about these. I'll find out. Got a couple Pintos. Might be some good parts on them. Station wagon. Another station wagon. Trying to see what that one is. It's turned upside down. Kind of got a little lost over here, trying to figure out where we're at. None of this looks familiar. Huh. Where are we?
We're lost.
We're lost. Got a Fox body Mustang. I don't like them, but I know a lot of people do. Lots of good parts nonetheless. I'm trying to figure out, where are we? What happened to all the Camaros?
I don't know.
We're in the Mustang part of the junkyard.
We don't want to be here.
Shoot. It's like all the Camaros vanished. Like we took a wrong turn.
I think we did.
We lost them.
Not in Kansas anymore.
No, there they are.
Woo!
Okay, now I know where we're at. Alright. Alright. So, got a bunch of box bodies. Oldsmobile, Mustang. See what we got here. I'm not really sure, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. Chevy truck. Alright, I think we done looked at all this. So I'll bring you back when I get back to some good stuff. I like the blue on this one. 340. Mopar. Haven't seen many Mopars in here. So, yeah. Got a pretty solid complete Ford. I don't know, it might be a F-250 or F something, but pretty solid. Like, that might be a good one to buy. Safe from getting melted down. Yeah, I got a feeling a lot of these is about to get melted down. Still hunting for some good ones. Have not seen no 30s. So I'm a little disappointed, but we still got a little bit more to go. Stay tuned. Got a pretty solid duster. Second one of the day. It was pretty solid, but it's going to need some floor work. But the outside looks pretty decent. I mean, not bad. Good parts. Buy both of them. Build something. Save it. Somebody. I'm begging you. Let's see. I'm in a different part of the junkyard now. Bunch of scattered around vehicles. Another old F-100. 100 of them things out here. It's like a Galaxy. Two-door. Somebody could probably use a lot of parts off this. I probably know a couple people that could use some parts, so I'll get some decent shots of it. Bottom fenders and doors is decent. Floors is gone. You got the seat springs. I like the checker flags on it. Check that out. See the checker flags? See it? On the dash.
Oh, I like that.
Anyways. Alright. See what else we got. Bunch of new junk. Whew, it's starting to get hot now. Damn.
North Carolina heat is no joke.
Oh, I know. It's too damn humid too. Alright, so we got our third duster. This one's probably the most solid of all of them. Even has jumper cables on the back, so it might run. Got a 400 emblem. Complete. No engine. Has a drive shaft laying in it. Yeah. Alright, so that's 3 of them. Looks like another one. Hey, we got a Firebird fender. We might need that. That's a little rough right there. Got a Camaro. Pretty solid Camaro. These doors, fenders, hood. But not bad, not bad. This is a Nova, by the way. My bad.
No.
We might take a look at these right here. See what we got. These fenders real quick, because we need some parts for our cars. Got a couple more old ones here. That's pretty nice. Not too bad. I know a lot of people like these, but got a Mercury Comet over here, 2-door. That's pretty nice. Might have some performance mods in it. We got some racing stickers on it. Oh yeah, what's that say? The Carolina Shaker. Man, that's pretty cool. Hey, you got to come check this out. The Carolina Shaker, old hot rod car. And of course they took the good racing engine out of it, but hey, that's an old hot rod, man. That's pretty cool. You got Mallory ignition. Somebody was racing this one. Come on this side, check it out. Carolina Shaker. Huh. Old hot rod.
Neat.
Somebody needs to save this one. I mean, this one's solid, man.
Yeah.
This would be a good one. Old Comet, if anybody's looking. There you go.
Scoop it up.
Definitely scoop it up. Got a Mustang. Got a Chevy for New Jersey. I don't think this is an Impala though, but it's 4-door anyways, so nobody wants that one. And some more 2-doors. Some good parts maybe. Alright, coming up on some new junk. Bring you back when I find something old. Alright, so I'm a diehard Challenger guy. I just found a classic. Man, this would look so good sitting beside my race car. Found them. It looks like a Chevelle or something maybe right here, but it's gone. But I mean, this one's rough too, man. But damn, I've been hunting me one of these. These are so hot right now, man. They're fetching big money. Oh, I wonder what I could get it for. Oh yeah. Both of these, man, these are nice cars back in their day. I'm telling you. Oh yeah, Chevelle. I thought it was. Man, bro, that's a shame. Two nice cars sitting side by side. That is a dying shame, but I'm gonna see about this one. Even as rough as it is, man, I just like to have it. Got an old Coke bottle back here. See if I can get a year off of it. 1957. 57 Coke bottle. That's pretty cool. I'm not really sure what year this is. If anybody knows Challengers really well, comment, let me know. Hopefully it's a 70. But yeah, man, I'd love to get it, but damn, it's rough. We got the first 50s car, I think. I mean, this is late 50s, might be early 60s, maybe, but pretty close to our era that we're used to. Oh shoot. Where would the VIN number be at on this Challenger? I'm gonna look around on it a little bit more. I'll bring you back. Alright, got a Mustang. That's just another Monte Carlo. Decent looking hood. Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Good parts car. Like I said, we have one of these in the family. Probably wouldn't be bad to scoop one of those up. Got another 4th gen Camaro. Like the Harley Davidson tag there. Some modern junk, looks like, for the most part. I'll bring you back if I see anything good. I see what caught her eye. Horses. Alright, so I think I finally found the 30s vehicle he was telling us about. This is it right here. Not sure what it is yet. It is a 2-door. Pretty rough. Found the 30s car.
Oh shoot.
Let's see. Still not really sure what it is. I think it's a Plymouth. Yeah, it's a Plymouth. See the ships. Yeah. Old Plymouth. I think my Uncle Bruce has one like this. It's a 37, I think. Really good condition. All original runs and drives. But this one's pretty far gone. But if anybody's looking, come save it. Alright, so we got a Ford Edsel, one of the ugliest cars ever made. But hey, you know, still pretty decent though, I guess. You know, but anyways, got an Edsel here, 2-door, hard top. If anybody's interested in parts, let me know. Alright, we're closing in on the end of the junkyard trek, but we got a little bit more to go. Got an old heavy duty dump truck, nice horse trailer here, little bulldozer.
There's still horse shit in it.
Really? But this one might be still being used, I don't know. Yeah, not bad.
Not bad.
It's a good trailer for somebody. Alright, so one of the best 50s cars on the property. It's right here. Looks like a 52, 53, 54 Chevy. Not a bad one. Pretty solid. This ain't a bad one here. I like it. I like it a lot. This would be a good one for a Will It Run video and series for the YouTube channel. Solid. Got a dent right there and a little bit of rust right here. But overall, solid, man. Just have the inline 6, good. This one might be worth getting here. Oh yeah, it's all complete. No rust in the floors, but to be expected. Door shut. This one's locked. Not bad, not bad. Might ask about this one. Alright, well, that concludes this junkyard tour. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me and Faith. And we'll have some content coming soon for y'all. So y'all just stick around. Be sure to check out my other junkyard videos, as I have a bunch of them. And like I said, I might throw in a little sneak peek of what me and Faith just bought as projects. And if y'all like it, you can watch it. If you don't watch it. Alright, thanks for hanging out.
Bye.